Welcome to Belly Breath. This meditation is an invitation to connect with your higher self, to bathe in the transformative energy of violet light, and open to the healing flow of renewal and divine peace. Let yourself get as comfortable as possible. Lovingly close your eyes. Take a deep, slow breath in through your nose and exhale softly through your mouth. Let your shoulders melt. Let your belly loosen. Let your breath move like a gentle wave, smooth, effortless, and natural. Feel gratitude for this breath, for the sacred rhythm that connects you to all life. Every inhale receives from the earth. Every exhale gives back. You are part of this infinite exchange, the cycle of renewal and creation. Now bring your awareness to the top of your head. About a foot above your crown, sense a soft, radiant violet orb of light. It glows gently at first, then brightens, luminous, powerful, serene. This is the energy of transformation. It carries divine intelligence, a frequency of healing, change, and awakening. Take a slow breath and silently say within, "I am ready to receive." As you do, the violet light begins to open and pour down over you, a gentle waterfall of shimmering energy. Feel it washing through your crown, flowing down your face and neck. Softening your shoulders. Filling your arms, chest, and hands with warmth. It continues to travel down your spine, through your hips, legs, and feet, until it reaches a second orb of violet light, about 12 inches below your feet. This lower orb receives and recycles the energy, sending it back up around you, surrounding you in a sphere of violet light, a radiant cocoon of healing and protection. Breathe deeply as this light moves through and around you in perfect harmony, cleansing, clearing, restoring. You don't need to do anything. Simply allow. For a few moments, rest in this sacred stillness. The violet light flows endlessly, balancing your energy, aligning your body and spirit. Now, as this light continues to flow, feel yourself gently detaching from old versions of reality, anything that no longer belongs to you. There's no effort here, just release. You are reconnecting with your higher self, the part of you that moves with love, trust, and divine ease. Feel it now. You and miracles are one. You and greatness are one. You and divine love are one. You are ready for this transformation. You were born for this light. Stay here as long as you wish, bathed in this sacred violet glow, the light of healing, clarity, and awakening. When you're ready to return, imagine the violet sphere around you remains, a gentle shield of calm and strength. Take one more deep breath in and exhale fully. Open your eyes slowly, returning to the present moment, carrying your inner light with you. You are peace. You are transformation. You are light. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being you.